Hey friends! So happy to see you here on my channel. Today, we're making a super simple, yet seriously delicious sweet cake. And the best part, no sugar. Yep, you heard that right. It's healthy and tasty. So go grab a cup of tea and let's get started. First things first, crack 3 eggs into a large mixing bowl. The bigger the bowl, the easier it is to mix. Trust me on this one. Now add 3.5 ounces of sweetener. I'm using erythritol, but feel free to use your favorite. Just make sure to check the label for the right conversion. Sweeteners vary in sweetness and volume. Time to grab your mixer and beat the eggs and sweetener together until light and fluffy. The color should turn pale, almost white, and the mixture should double or even triple in volume. Oh, and make sure your eggs are at room temperature. They whip up so much better that way. Fluffier and more stable. That part's key. All right, eggs are done. Now let's move on. Add in 4 fluid ounces of kefir. Then 4 ounces of soft cottage cheese. Next, add half a teaspoon of salt to balance the flavor. Mix gently until smooth. No cottage cheese? No worries. You can easily substitute with plain yogurt or low-fat sour cream. Anything mild and creamy will work. Now, for the dry ingredients, sift 3.5 ounces of whole wheat flour, and 3.5 ounces of rice flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then gently fold the dry mixture into the wet ingredients. You should end up with a smooth, pourable batter, not too thick, just a nice flowing consistency. Now grab a second bowl and divide the batter in half. To one half, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This is going to be our chocolate layer. If it gets a little too thick, just splash in a bit of kefir or milk to loosen it up. To the other half, add about half a teaspoon of vanilla. Now for the fun part, let's layer the cake. Grease your baking dish with a little oil, or butter if you want that cozy, homemade feel. Start by pouring a scoop of the vanilla batter into the center of the pan. Then, pour a scoop of the chocolate batter right on top of that. Keep alternating like this, always pouring into the center, so you get that beautiful layered zebra pattern. Optional. Take a toothpick or skewer and gently drag through the batter to create a swirl design. Just go easy, no need to overdo it. Bake in a preheated oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius, for about 50 minutes. Keep an eye on it toward the end. Every oven is a little different. While the cake is baking, let's whip up a simple glaze. Melt 3 ounces of unsweetened dark chocolate with 3 fluid ounces of cream over low heat, stirring constantly until smooth and glossy. And that's it. Glaze is ready. The cake's done. Let it cool for a bit. Then time for the best part, the taste test. Look how gorgeous it turned out inside. Drizzle the glaze over the top, pour yourself some tea, and dig in. Enjoy, my friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below, letting me know how your cake turned out.